Hi, you guys. This is your girl Tammy here, and I am doing a demo. This is a sponsored video by Timber Ridge Wagon. A wagon that's so big that it can hold me. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to take it on a test at Aldi's grocery store. I'm going to use it as a grocery cart because your girl sometimes don't have a quarter when she's pulling up into the parking lot, and she's going to be ready to go. This wagon is super, super durable, super, super big, huge. In fact, has lots of pockets on the outside of it. I'm going to show you how you open it up. There's no assembly required. It's just you pull out the side. The middle cushion, which is a very firm boarding that's wrapped for the inside of the wagon, and then you unzip the cover. And I'm going to also use this cover as a grocery bag also. You'll see in this video, so don't go anywhere while I do this demonstration. It's so easy to put together. Well, you don't have to put it together. All you do is just unsnap it from the sides. You do that on both sides. Look at these wheels, guys. They are so smooth and they're huge. I was worried about the wheels. I was like, they looked like they wasn't durable, but they are durable. This wagon is durable. So once you get all your side lashes unfastened, all you do is unfasten the last one, which is around the body entirely. So it's just 3 steps to really opening this to get it out of the cover, and you just pull, push it open, just like this. Press the center down so you can get a flat surface, just like that. And then put in your folding pad. It's very firm. Now you can use this wagon for lots of things. Picnics, um, going to in and out from your car into the house. You can use it for camping. You can use it for going to the park. You can use it for taking your kids on a walk because it will be a fun ride. But I wanted to use it as a grocery store item just once, just to see how it acts in the grocery store and just to see what I thought of the wagon entirely. It has a long zipper side pocket for extra storage. And it looks like it's waterproof, you guys. So that pocket looks like it's insulated with a liner that will keep the water from off whatever you have inside of that. This is a wagon that you would take to the beach. I mean, this is like so comfortable. Okay, so this is the handle. You just unsnap it from the side. The handle is adjustable. It goes up and down, and you can snap it into a locking position. If you wanted to reduce it, they have 2 side buttons. You just squeeze the sides and the handle will slide back down, and you can just snap the handle right back into that position. And it will hold it into place. And you'll see all of this in the video. These little buttons again, they unlock the handle and you'll see it just slides right back down. Very, very nice. This is well made, you guys, and it got a little bit of weight to it. So I'm not gonna lie, I picked it up and it felt a bit, maybe about at least 15 pounds. Okay, so we are in Aldi's and I'm doing a test run. As you can see in my buggy, that there is the bag that covers the wagon when you're getting ready to pack it down. But I'm going to use that for all my frozen food because it has a liner inside and it's got a waterproof liner. So I'm going to use it for that. But in the meantime, we're going to do a shopping tour throughout Aldi's, and the basket is working amazing. It's speeding well. And as you can see, I'm not pulling the basket. I am actually pushing the basket as if you would a grocery cart. So you can do that too by putting the handle in a locking position and just pushing forward. Gorgeous piece of, this wagon is gorgeous too. And it's just very smooth. It glides at your hand and it doesn't feel like it's holding any weight or anything. So this doesn't feel, a baby at 2 years old can push this wagon around. Aldi's was so crowded, you guys, that it was like I had to bob and weave in between all the shoppers. So, and I was trying not to get any shoppers. So I'm just filming my wagon and a little bit of some of the produce. Have your Aldi's been remodeled? Ours have, and I absolutely love it. As you can see, I'm bobbing and weaving in between all the customers, the shoppers, and it's working. You can see I'm easily moving this as I push it forward instead of pulling it. So this wagon works both ways, not just one way, but both ways. Okay, so I think it's about time that we take this buggy on in for a checkout. So I am lining up, and you know, Audis can have some lines because usually it's only two registers open sometimes, but on holidays maybe three. So definitely see that I used the chicken in the bag, and the rest is just vegetables. Now, even though you may not think so, but I am a healthy eater. I love all produce. I love produce and fresh produce, garden fresh items. I absolutely love it. So here I am taking all of my items out of the cart, putting it on the register rack, and I'm filming this as I go along. So I'm doing it with one hand, and yes, I am the only cameraman today. So if this video is a little bit jerky or shaky, that is why. It's hard to maneuver yourself around and not have the video bounce a little bit. Even though like I have a little bit of onion skin all over the bottom of the cart, you can just take a vacuum cleaner or you can just pull the whole mat piece out and shake it. So I've taken my coal out of the bag and we're gonna bring it around. Instead of them having a cart by the side of the cashier, we're gonna allow her to put the food inside the buggy, inside my wagon. She was extra sweet for doing so with no problem. She thought it was super cute and she wanted to know where she could find a wagon just like this. And a lot of people ask that question in the store. Well, I'm just going to tell you, I'm going to leave the link and the information down in the description box. So if you want to know how you can get your hands on this wagon, you must read the description box. Okay, so now that we're back home, I'm going to show you how simple it is to break this thing down. It's just maybe 3 steps to break it down. Isn't that cute? It is just so cute. So you pull the center up, squish it tightly together. It has the long cords hanging, the Velcro strips hanging down on the side. You grab them. As you can see, they're dangling right here. Those are Velcro strips. So you'll need to grab both of them and pull them around the front of the wagon and then just lock them in place with each other. You would slide it through the little plastic piece, just like you do when you unfasten it, tighten it up for an adjustment, and then lock it with the Velcro strip. Very simple. No work, no pulling the wheels off, no doing anything. And when you're done, just put the case back on it. Just unzip your Timber Ridge case. And this is what I use for a grocery bag, you guys. I absolutely love this. Thinking about keeping it in the trunk of my car. So when I go back to Aldi's, I'll be able to use it each time. Even though I was just doing this as a test, but I actually enjoy using it in the grocery store. However, my husband is begging for this piece, and I think he wants to keep it in his car because he's always hauling stuff and moving stuff around the home. So what I'm doing now is showing you how I'm going to fasten it back down. So you have that little plastic piece right here, and you just slide the Velcro through that piece and then loop the Velcro back up, and it snaps into place. You do this on both sides and your task is done. See how simple that was? That was a four-step process. Took literally less than 5 minutes to fold this up and to put it away. Absolutely love this project. Thank you, Timber Ridge, for sending me this item. I'm glad that you want me to do a review on it, and I thank you so, so much. So, you guys, when you're all done with your piece and it's all put together, don't forget to put your pad back in the side. And this padding is real durable, guys. I don't know what's made inside of it, but it's very, very strong. Very strong. And you just slide that in and carry your wagon home. Thanks for watching, you guys. I love you so, so much. Bye.